What is karagam? Every Indian village, they got a festival, there will be a karagam dance. Now it's happening everywhere in Singapore also. You can see National Day Parade, Chingay Parade, you can see Indian carrying the karagam. We got two types of karagam. One is Atta karagam, for normal dancing, everything, for the cultural shows, everything. Another one is Sakti karagam. Sakti karagam normally used for religious, like fireworking or special prayer of the temple. I was selected to serve as a karagam leader during the service that I took from my seniors. I learned from the seniors. So I improved when I took over the karagam, more realistic and more beautiful. Every night I sleep, I was just thinking what should I improve on. The flowers, the amount of color flowers and the sizes which you can fit for the karagam. Because the karagam should be stabilized. It should be fit for the man who carry and dance. I take my measurement, I plan, I do the drawing. This is how it's going to be. I'm very particular on the size of the karagam. But karagam is not a very easy. It's very important. When they do the dancing or the procession for the 4 kilometer walk, make sure the flowers won't drop. Tying of the flowers is very important. You put a finger, go around, make sure it sits, because there's no any other support, only the leaves and the flowers we are putting in. That is only the thing. There's no any board or anything to support. So when you do, then we are going to put the patterns of the flowers, V-shape. We're going to put a rakudi behind. Then everything. Then we are going to put the face. We want to put the jewelries. Make sure it's like a lady, So this idea is all. Make sure goes into that 2 feet or 1.5 feet karagam. So make sure everything must suit in beautifully. I did an improvement on this karagam for the 19 years. And I was passing this karagam to my younger generation, which now they are doing. So I was very happy what I achieved, what I passed over to my young generation. They are doing, which they can do better than me, with the better ideas.
When Balana see my interest in the karagam, then he pulled me over to main karagam, the karagam team. Learning karagam from Balana is my mentor from 7 years, and I'm doing myself now as a leader. As Balanan say, we have a team of 3. So the next person learning with me, they must catch up with me and master how we tying the karagam.
So that is my aim, and that is what I have given to my young leaders. If the more improvement comes, that is the happiest moment I have to sit and watch what they have done.